Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force. So today we're going to be taking a look at the VANKYO MatrixPad S10. Costing only £100, could this be the best budget tablet on the market? Well, let's find out. Okay, so let's start by taking a look at what comes inside the box. So we get the tablet itself, which comes pre-installed with a thin plastic screen protector, the USB-C charging cable, as well as the charging brick, and then we of course get the manuals. So we're essentially given all the fundamental items and nothing additional like a carrying case or a pair of earphones, which is fine, but it could have been a nice addition. Now, taking a closer look at the design of the tablet, it's very lightweight and the back has a nice soft touch, which feels nice in the hand. And then the sides of the tablet are made from a black plastic, which doesn't feel very premium, but allows the tablet to remain lightweight, as well as cost only £100. The display size is 10 inches, which I think is perfect for a tablet, and it fits comfortably in two hands, which is nice. However, one issue is the screen resolution, which isn't as perfect as the resolution of an iPad. But don't get me wrong, it's still pretty good. But then if you look closely at the display, you can also see some flickering, which isn't too good, and you certainly don't expect that with any tablet. But it's hardly noticeable, so it's not a huge issue. Now let's dive into the specs. So this tablet comes with 32GB of storage, and 2GB of RAM, and also runs Android 9, which isn't too bad, and allows the device to be perfect for day-to-day tasks, such as streaming videos and emailing. The 32GB storage can also be increased via a MicroSD card slot, allowing you to store tons of photos and videos. And during my use, I didn't notice many flaws. The tablet didn't freeze at all, and there was minimal lag when streaming video and performing general day-to-day tasks, which was incredible. Now, one minor issue I did notice was that the display resolution was sometimes slightly pixelated when watching videos, which didn't provide the best viewing experience. But in terms of loading videos quickly, this tablet was surprisingly very good at it, and it was able to flick between apps as well as load up web pages and videos pretty fast. And on top of all this, the audio quality outputted by the dual speakers was also pretty clear, which was very good. Okay, so now let's talk about the cameras. So of course this tablet comes with a front and rear camera. One thing I did notice was that the front camera was strangely placed slightly off to the left a bit, which was a little odd. Now the front camera is only 2 megapixels, whilst the rear camera is 8 megapixels. And when taking photos and videos, I did notice that the photos weren't perfectly clear, compared to some of the other tablets out there, which was a bit of a shame. But when compared to other tablets within this price range, the camera is probably somewhere in the middle. So overall, when compared to other tablets in the £100 price range, you would struggle to find something which runs pretty smoothly and also runs pure Android 9. So I would say this is probably the best £100 tablet running Android. Now, if you aren't worried about what operating system is worried, I would certainly consider the Amazon Fire tablets, which are around the same level of quality with slightly better displays. But personally, I prefer pure Android, and so I think this tablet is the best £100 tablet out there. Okay, so that's it for now. So don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.